Welcome, and thank you for following along with us as our team works alongside the City of Salina to provide the next upcoming community park design. We received significant community input in response to our recent survey with over 1,000 responses. This strong feedback has allowed our team to see which concept was more favored and which amenities you would like to see within the park. As you can see here, Concept A was the favored design by nearly 20%. And many programs from Concept B, such as the dog park, availability of parking, and a larger pond, were highly requested for incorporation into the park master plan. We also heard from several who were interested in separate tennis and pickleball courts, basketball courts, and restroom facilities. With the feedback we received, our team merged selected elements of Concept A and B together to create a hybrid consensus concept plan, which is the next step of plan refinement when working toward a final master plan. Shown here, you will notice the ball fields are arranged as a full-size fourplex, which allows for open recreation space for additional amenities and allowed the parking to be sprinkled in for various user groups. The sports diamond was also shifted north to allow for a more natural experience as you enter off Roseland Parkway into the neighborhood park zone, which includes a variety of lighted court sports, including tennis, pickleball, and basketball. This area will also include a dog park, playground, and splash pad with nearby restrooms. The multi-use field sports remained a high priority. These open lawn areas will allow for a variety of gameplay that can be coordinated with the Parks and Recreation Department. Various age groups for soccer can be accommodated on these fields, along with the opportunity for football and cricket. 10-foot wide trail connections are planned along Sunset Boulevard and Roseland Parkway. Additionally, there will be a 12-foot wide concrete trail along the Wilson Creek corridor with a decomposed granite shoulder, which will allow for multiple options for a running or walking surface. These trail systems, along with the soft trails throughout the mature canopy to the west, can be used for cross-country track events or simply as paths to explore the beauty Wilson Creek Park has to offer. You will also notice a 2-acre space at the northeast corner along Roseland Parkway reserved as a future fire station site. The Diamond Sports will include 300-foot foul lines, covered dugouts and seating for spectators, batting cages, and a restroom concession building. The parking layout provides quick pickup and drop-off areas as you enter the park. You may also notice the views that are created by rotating the complex slightly off the north-south axis. Whether you are turning into the park or simply driving along Roseland Parkway, you will have a direct line of sight through the central spines. The court sports have been separated into individual uses to include 2 tennis courts, 8 pickleball courts, 2 full-sized and 2 half-sized basketball courts. A rebound wall will also provide a space for wall ball. The signature playground and splash pad creates a gateway into the neighborhood park zone, which will include restrooms, an open lawn for free play, and separate parking areas. This parking can also be used to quickly access the event area, which includes an amphitheater, chairs seating, and areas for picnic tables or vendors. Various trails provide connection to the pond overlook and the dog paddocks that are tucked into the mature canopy tree line. You will also notice a pedestrian bridge that provides access to future residences. On the southern edge of the park, we are able to provide multi-use fields that allow for many different sport activities. As you can see, there are opportunities for various age groups and areas to accommodate cricket, soccer, and others. The 2 field areas are separated by existing mature shade trees that allow space for play pockets and nature trails. A restroom concession building, pavilion, and playground are nearby to support the spectators. A final program list of amenities is shown here. This list of amenities will be worked into the overall master plan as budget allows and will continue to drive the final design. Spaces such as food trucks and batting cages will also begin to take shape. Next steps for Wilson Creek Park will be for the design team to proceed into the master planning phase, which will include a deeper dive into refining the overall arrangement of park program elements, recreation spaces, and other park features. The final master plan is targeted to be complete in summer of 2023. If you have any questions about this project, please contact the City of Salina Parks and Recreation Department using the contact information shown here.